You're looking at, you see, what you're looking at is what's left of a branch on this 85-foot oak tree in our front lawn, because we had a windstorm and it knocked the whole branch off the tree. Now I'm standing on my neighbor's driveway looking at that, you see. Let me back up a little bit.
Fell all the way.
And it fell all the way down to right there. As you can see, it is no longer there because I have had David and Mark and Bruce and me and Mike and Greg, who's mugging for the camera. You can see the debris in the driveway after we have moved it. We have cut it into about 4 or 5 different sections, and we still have debris strewn all over the lawn. And this wasn't even a hurricane, folks. This was only like 65-knot winds. Okay, and it was only gusts at that. And this is what's left of the branch that Mark is busily chopping up. And it gives us more firewood to add to the 2 cords we already have in the back.
There you go. I want to chop.
Watch your feet.
Okay, Bruce, pointy end down.
Watch where the axe end is going to fall.
Now, why are we doing this? Why are we doing this?
Because oh yeah, you wanted to get a chainsaw, didn't you?
Well, I just thought it'd be easier to do it with a chainsaw.
No, it's fun.
Yeah. Can I do it? Yeah, can I try that?
No.
Would you stand on this side of that branch so it doesn't bounce all over the place for Bruce?
Okay.
All the kids, you see, want to try. Of course, the kids don't know that the thing is heavy
Watch your eyes.
and can
Hey,
hurt.
Greg, could you come over here and help me get some of this stuff? We gotta clean this stuff up.
Are we excited yet, watching Bruce chop the wood?
Don't watch me chop the wood.
Oh, okay. We'll watch David throw leaves in the pile.
Alright.
I've got the hardest job of all. I got to hold this camera and document all this. I mean, it's terrible, isn't it? This does not look like it's in focus.
This stuff you'd probably be better off just putting in bags and crashing.
Oh yeah, I agree.
Because it's not going to burn worth anything.
Oh yeah. No, I'm just interested in keeping the wood.
Yeah. It'll be great all night stuff, you know, because it won't burn right away.
Uh-oh, we're about to see success. Maybe. Uh-oh. Here it goes. There it is. He has broken through.
Very well done. Their turn.
Not my turn. My turn.
No.
Bruce Bunyan.
Hey, Dad.
What, Mike?
Why can't I chop some of the smaller things?
Well, there really isn't a whole lot more to chop.
Hey, there really isn't, Mike.
I just wanted to branch. Yeah, if you wanted to take care of it with a chainsaw, that'd be fast. Yeah, just take the branch and chop them over there.
Anyway, there's
Can I
what's
chop
left
that thing in half so it's easier to put in the fire?
of what used to be 20, 30 feet of our tree. I got a pretty good view of it now. Where is it, if I can find it?
You can't see it because of the pine tree.
No, I gotta see it. I know it's up there.
Pine tree's in the way.
No, pine tree's not in the way. I just gotta.
I want to use the...
Well, up far enough now, all of a sudden I can't see it. I can't see it when I look through the viewfinder.
Thanks, Greg. Oh, wait. We can chop this one.
Here it is.
Get a
Yeah,
chop.
that's a little too bad.
Yeah, I'll stand back.
I want to chop.
Alright, now I go up here.
Toss it over in the file.
There it is right there.
Dad, in order to get out of all the work, decided to go get the video camera.
Well, no.
He's kind of old anyway.
Yeah, and he won't even let me do any work.
That really wasn't my idea, guys.
Oh, and you know, I can't hear what he's saying. I bet he's probably trying to tell you something like it wasn't his idea. Bet if he could, he'd even blame it on his wife. or on his son. Yeah.
Yeah, it was their idea.
Gee, Dad, why don't we go get the camcorder so you don't have to do anything?
I don't want to chop.
Yeah, there it is right there. That's where it broke off.
Greg, put that
It used to
down.
go way out there. It doesn't do it anymore.
I want to chop. Whoa.
You are doing something. You're watching.
But that's boring.
Yeah, here we go. Just come down and watch it so you got a pretty good groove in it. And then start chipping away. Well, now that you've been properly supervised, I'm going to go in and take a nap.
Why? What? You haven't done anything yet. You're right.
So we're going to order pizza now, right?
It would be neat, but unfortunately.
Well, I just want to put it down for the record, camera, that he told us that if we came out here and did this, he'd buy us pizza.
I never said that.
He's lying again, just like
Can you believe this guy? Lies for posterity. In 50 years, when his grandchildren look at this,
Careful with your
and I am dead and gone, his lie will extend across the decades.
Yeah, sure it is.
All right, all you people in the year 2040 who are watching this, when over there is 69 years old, bouncing grandchildren on his knee, remember
Tell me if my hair is this long, because it probably won't be able to
that
see.
you saw your grandfather lie, and you heard your great-grandfather tell the truth.
Heard your great-grandfather deprive your grandfather of pizza.
A pizza?
I didn't that, did it?
Well, yeah.
I
Matter of
want
fact,
to
it
use
did.
that.
There's something smells suspiciously like.
That's the date and the time.
Dad, why can't I chop that piece? Greg Mark's got.
All right. As soon as everybody gets done with the axe, I'll let you chop, okay?
I think we can just put it down. There we go.
Michael's going to chop that piece of wood as soon as Dave gets done.
Okay, careful, watch your feet.
Okay, we're going to do a little pause here because I'm getting bored watching everybody doing work. Although, I don't know, I love work. I could sit and watch it for hours. That was terrible.
That was unfunny.
Who asked you?
Me.
Oh.
You asked you.
It's getting a little dark out here. I don't know how well this is going to capture everything, but we'll see.
We'll pick up all that stuff, straight stuff out in the yard.
I'm chopping that thing.
That's fine.
There she is,
Can I do it?
hiding behind the pillar.
Just chop. Dad,
See? You can just about see her, you see?
can I do it?
No, Greg, you can't.
What are you going to cut?
Dad.
You want to cut this? Where do you want to cut?
You're not big enough to do that, okay?
So it's a little more solid. Even so.
No! No! That's why I don't want you to chop, Mike.
I want to stand over here.
Because you don't watch what you're doing.
Yeah, you got to be careful. Hold on tight with that other hand.
Well, everybody saw the emergency in the making there. Wasn't that wonderful?
You might want to grab it a little bit
Keep
higher.
filming, Dad,
If you
because
grab
if
it-
he chops off his foot, we
Grab
can
it
send
here,
it
see
to
that way
faces
you'll have
of
a little more
death.
control. You're less likely to...
Yeah? This nah, can't do that.
Nice rowing motion.
Watch your feet now. You got to be really careful. When you hit it, keep it there. Don't let it bounce off. Stay back, buddy. Okay, you keep here. Help me hold it down so it doesn't slide. I think that's kind of this axe is a bit too heavy for you. I mean, you might want to start out with a lighter axe.
Yeah.
Because this is.
I used to about 2 years ago.
Yeah, I know, but see, you're also on concrete. You're also on concrete, so it's a little bit harder.
It's okay, Mike. You gave it a try.
Yeah. I mean, you'd be better off starting with a little bit lighter axe. Because this is so heavy on the end, you know.
It's so nice.
Film they'd be holding an axe.
He did pretty good. Oh no! Oh no! Take it back on the doggy!
What would a film be without the family dog? Watch out, Greg. I don't want you to get it in your eye. Why don't you go help Bruce carry the stuff that he saw?
The dog is going to have a ball. What a wonderful family outing. Greg, you're really being stupid. Yeah, could you just go ahead and play, please?
Man, put the dog back in the house.
He's just having fun.
Yeah, but he's like going right up to hard with the axe. And that's... I can see it now. He's going to be in a downswing and he's going to cleave our dog. This is not going to work.
You guys really don't have to do this, you know.
Oh, but we're enjoying it.
Oh.
This wood is a bit springy. There we go. Watch your fingers.
Well, I think we've seen enough of the tree. But this, you know, we thought this was kind of interesting to document, so we wanted to document it and show this incredibly disciplined team at work. So for now, on October 27th, 1990, we're out of here.
Ah, there we are. There's Michael and Gregory. And where's Dad? Dad is somewhere out there. Let's go see. This is November 18th.
Hi.
Hi, Greg. 1990. And we're out doing the first major meeting. You see that rake going back there in back of the shed? That's Dad.
Hey, yo, Dad.
Let's go get him. Here we go.
Hello.
There he is. Hi.
I'm having a ball, yes, it's wonderful.
He loves the house. He loves the trees. But the trees shed worse than
I ain't
others.
crazy about the leaves, but what the heck. Greg? Don't do that. You look really dorky.
There's a pile. There's a tree. And there's a pile.
You'll notice.
And there's a pile.
Pan up.
Pan up.
Pan up.
Oh, yes. Yes.
And you'll notice that the majority of the leaves are yet to come.
Down. This way.
Yes.
Yes. So that that man
every week.
can rake. We've been doing this now for about 4 weeks. Greg, Dad's right. You look dorky. Say, hi, I'm almost 6.
Hi.
Where is Dunners? There he is. Hey, Duns. Hi. Oh, boy. Lucky me. Okay, let's go around and see where everybody else is.
Okay.
Okay? Around the pile of wood. Aha. As you can see, We'll even go up farther again. There are a lot of leaves left up there. We're getting them out. Tonight is fire in the fireplace. Michael taking a break over here. Hey Mike, stop being so dramatic. You can't possibly be tired. Wait a minute, he'll be tired because he wants to be. Yeah, I guess you could be. Nobody be, but you would be. Ah.